I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
For those who are voting for baby boy on that side, okay? Tabi muna sila dati muna, okay? Alright, let me invite the baby boy voters. Samahan niyo ni Daddy Francis right here, okay? Picture taking, picture taking. Those who are voting for baby boy, come on. Please come over, come over. Bago natin let go yung mga mascots natin, kailangan nilang mag-rest. Ako, napagod sila, mainit sa loob yan. Okay? Tapos lalabas na lang kayong isang mascot if it's a boy or a girl. Are we now ready for the mechanics para sa ating gender reveal? Baby boy! Baby boy voters, please come over. Yan. Voters for baby boy, please come over. Mga voters natin sa pink, tabi muna tayo, tabi muna. Yan. Itaas sa mga bombs! Para sa revolusyon!
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Thank you so much. This time for the baby girls. Come on! Hey, 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 background DJ, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Wow! Oh my God, that is so good for these two individuals. Wow! Oh my goodness! And we have fireworks!
gonna be the best day.
Oh my goodness. Si Ma'am naiyak. Wow, God is just so good. Palakpakan po natin si Lord!
This is gonna be the best day.
A beautiful wedding! Wow! Ma'am and sir, your words, dalawa na si sir at saka si ma'am, your words for this, it's a baby boy, wala kayong hate. Eto na talaga yung blessings nyo, tuloy-tuloy na to.
Naiyak siya, kaya siya muna.
Grabe na to. Grabe, thank you Lord for a baby boy! Grabe, sobrang speechless ako. But sobrang thankful ako sa Lord. It's a baby boy.